Hi viewers, today I will talk about a new matter, that is some trick of the square root. So today there are three square roots I have all taken. These are the square number, so it can be done square root perfectly. So today we will do of that. So my trick is like a bit mental math. So let's think first. 0 square equal to 0, 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equals to 4, 3 square equals to 9, 4 square equals to 16, 5 square equals to 25, 6 square equals to 36, 7 square equal to 49, 8 square equal to 64, 9 square equal to 81, 10 square equal to 100. This is a simple things that I think most of you know that. So by using this a little theory, we can done a lot of square root. So how? So let's use that. First of all, take this number 1, 0, 2, 4. In the number, take these two words. Think just, not do. Here are two words whose ending is 4. 8 and 2. Make a line. 8 or 2. So here, think that there is nothing here. Cut it. And then take this 10. And think. What is the last digit which is smaller than 10? That's 9. And this can be fixed with 10. Because if we take 4 square, then we get 16. So much big. But if we take the 2 square, it is so much little. So the perfect position is 3 square. So here our result is 3. Now you are maybe confusing what I am telling. So let's make our doubt clear. There are two numbers, right? 3 or 4. They are mostly in a normal way, that after 3 the 4 comes. So what is 3 multiplied by 4? 12. We can see that 10 is smaller than 12. So we have to choose that. Means the smaller one, not the bigger one. This is the way, the easiest way, who doesn't know about the square root. If the person who do this math get confusion about that, he can easily use this method. After practicing some days, you will also be clear with this. So then you would not need this chart. And now what is the final answer of it? 32. Task done. So who doesn't know about like this, like the previous method, which is a little bit harder, but this one is very easy. So let's do the second one. Again try 10, 8, 9. So there is 9. So what can fix with it? 9 here, 1, and here's another one. So there will come 2. That one is 3 and another is 7. So now think as the same way like the before. So we can take 3 again, because 3 is perfect for that. So now take again the same process. 3 multiplied by 4, the next number. You have always to multiply the next number. So now think, if there was another digit, then what would you do? If in your calculation the 4 comes, then you must have to take the 5 for that as the next number and multiply this to 1. But here you can see our 3 is the final here. So the next number is 12. So we can't take this one. We must take this one because it's smaller. 10 is smaller than 12. So answer is 3. 3 multiplied by 3, 3. So this is the answer. Not multiplied by. If you multiply that, then you will get this answer. So final result is this, 33. Easiest way. So again, our last math of this mental root math of today, that is this math. 11 6 here. So as our same rule here and also here, 4 or 6, 4 or 6. Now again, as the previous things, if we take 2 square, so much little. If we take 4 square, so much big. So what is the perfect value? The perfect value is the 3 square. So again 3. So now as saying 3, what is the next number of 3? 4. So again 12. Now 11 is smaller than 12. So 4 and equals to 3, 4. But never I think you should never care about this after you get these 2, because now this is valueless. So these are the easiest rule for doing the root. And in my next part, I also give, if it is not a square number, then what should we do? So that was all for today. Thanks a lot for your patient listening, and subscribe my channel for getting more interesting videos like that. Bye.